What is up, guys? I'm actually going to do muffler delete today to my Beamer. Curtis is coming to do it with me. He already did his. Oh. Got to the shop with Curtis here. We will keep you updated. Because I got a normal tip, but I kind of like the burnt tips. I don't know if they have them or not. But got Christian here. We got Carter here. We got it done. Oh yeah. So what they did. Oh yeah. Alright, right now, they're Christian driving.
What's going on,
We're
people?
about to stop to do some flybys to see how it sounds from the outside. Phone obviously won't do its justice, but yeah, here we go. Oh, yes, sir. All right, that sounded freaking good. He's about to come back. Christian's driving now. He's about to come back, so with the video of that. But it sounds so good. It's only $175 to get it done, but that's so much. That's so worth it because it sounded like nothing before, but it sounds so much better now. And he's about to come by, so. All right, well, that's the end of the video. I know it's a short video, but who cares? It's done now, and that's the muffler delete that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.
Bet the red light smoking like it's legal. Roll it up and light.